YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Tez back today with another video, and we are back, as you can see, with the clapped out 335 behind me, clapped out E93. And today, like I said in the last video, we're going to be swapping out this manual rear differential that I have in the car, putting in an auto 346 rear differential. Shout out to that guy. But yeah, we're gonna be putting an auto rear differential in the car today to see if it helps and whatnot. So I'm with my boy Vader with a couple other Beamers, E90 and E92 right here getting port injection. So yeah, so this is what we're gonna be doing today. So I got a comment saying like they wish they would have seen more of an install, but like this, I'm doing this more like a vlog type, so it's not really a DIY channel. So if I put it in there, I put it in there. If I don't, I don't. I apologize. I don't specify in that type of stuff. So yeah, we about to be doing that today. I'm about to get the car jacked up, and yeah, let's get into it. Let's get right into it, man.
Lube it?
Yeah, lube the bottom portion.
Yeah, see, now you're using my idea.
It's the wrong time to come in. Hey, what's up, man? Say what's up to the vlog. How you doing, brother?
What up, killer?
What's up, man?
Killer?
How you feeling?
Fat.
And we with the squad right now. My guy Gons.
What's up?
Yes, sir. My guy Quan. What's going
cameras,
on?
I got warrants.
Oh shoot. Oh, my bad. Well, no, I'm about to just jack up the car. Bruh, I do not like jacking up. I do not like jacking up cars. I just get so scared. Something else at me again. I got you on camera now. Yeah. Y'all need to see how he act with my skin color. What he be saying? Nah, back up, bro. You getting too close. You smell like.
You smell like doo-doo.
Yeah. Alright. Yeah, okay. But yeah, so my camera had died or whatever. So I charged it back up. I ended up jacking up the car like this. I'm pretty much doing everything. He busy over there installing port injection and whatnot. So all I did was take off the bolts for the downpipe because I got to drop the exhaust, and then take off. I'm taking off this middle bracket right there, so I can drop the exhaust, and there's two bolts back there, and then the grommets in the rear part of the exhaust, and then I have the exhaust drop. Take the exhaust out, and then I can start doing the other bolts on the on the axles. So yeah, we about to do that. I'm gonna set my camera up. If it dies, it dies. So I'm gonna time lapse for as long as I can. Alright, the next thing to do is to take out these bolts up here on the diff to make this flap right here. Let me see if I can zoom in. Make that flap right there, I think right there, and flip that backwards. And it'll drop that. Then I gotta take, I forgot about this. I gotta take these off. I forgot about that. Take these brace bars off and then take these off. And then we good. Shoot, hey, I done got the whole diff out by myself. Look, ask this man, who did it?
Who do you think really did it?
Okay, yeah, all right, that's cap. I took the whole exhaust out by myself. Wow, the diff is right there. Literally, I got everything out. It'll look a mess up underneath here, but it is what it is. I'm just waiting on my boy. Well, that ain't really my boy. My boy's homeboy to bring the automatic rear diff here. But for right now, we about to go test out my boy Gonzo's 335. He just got port injection installed on it. He's running like E40 on hey, on your E40, it's the base map?
Yeah, it's just base map.
Yeah, it's just he just got the base map on it, but we about to go test drive it, test it out, see how it is. I told him it's gonna be crazy, because when I first put mine on there, and I was on full E, so E40 still, but he got the port injection, and he has 750cc injectors. So yeah, this is a 335 right here. Nice color, it's a manual. Like I said, he got a nice carbon fiber, authentic. Probably got that from Rush Custom. Exhaust tips is nice. So we about to see what it's like. Oh, you worry about your clutch too?
Yeah, my clutch too, bro. I think it'll hold up for a little bit, but like after a while, I don't think so.
How does it feel? Like it feels smoother?
Yeah, yeah. After I put the E in it, like it started feeling smoother too.
Oh, okay. Yeah, see y'all turbos. Oh shoot, y'all turbos. You see my turbos are way louder.
Yeah, yeah. Yours are a lot louder.
Like, I think they're just bigger, but yours are still good. He has pure 600s in here, so.
Yo, I got that little pop. Did you get a little pop?
Yeah, I told you, bro. When you get E in your car, it'll start to do that, bro. With his tune. Oh my gosh, bro. This junk pulls, bro. You gonna walk one, bro.
Oh, that shit's fun, bro. I don't know, cause we're on the same setup. We got the same
but
turbo.
you don't have port though. He doesn't have port.
Yeah, he's about. Bro, they're putting port in right now.
Oh yeah, I don't know the IS versus this.
I don't know. He's gonna want to run going home because he lives over there in Roswell, and I'm right there now.
Yeah.
We'll see. Hopefully they're.
Are you good? Oh shit.
How fast was it? 71.
Oh yeah.
Top of third gear. Not bad.
Oh shit. This is nice, bro. Oh my goodness.
Bro, I love that nothing has popped up yet.
Yeah, bro.
Bro, and these BMWs, bro, that's what you look for.
Facts.
That's what makes you happy. It's like
you can beat on it like that and nothing happened.
that's like driving with Eric, man. I drove with Eric one time, and the one time that I drove with him,
yeah, he
was like, bro, he didn't care. He did not care.
He just sent it.
He just sent it, bro.
Yeah, that's how he does, bro, because he is like, if it's not gonna mess up, it's not gonna mess up.
Yeah.
All right, so all those pulls, the vacuum line to the nipple of the manifold was off. So, oh yeah, it's back, bro, because it wasn't doing that at first.
Okay, that's what I was missing. I just thought it just kind of went away.
Let's see what boost you hit. Bro, that feels good, bro.
Bro, if I can get through every gear like on
that,
the highway, yeah.
Oh, you really be able to.
I'll be cooking, bro. I got those little pops, bro. I get those little pops.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I love.
Sheesh. So right now we just playing around with his car. I'm waiting on the guy to bring me that the automatic rear diff so I could go ahead and throw that back in my car. That was actually my first time taking the diff out by myself.
Yo, that was pretty good. That was pretty quick.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I mean, that wasn't, especially like doing it by yourself.
Yeah, I could have. That was my first time doing it. I mean, I've seen it done before, but Eric did everything. So like I was chilling, but yeah, we about to head back there, and I'm gonna hit y'all whenever I get the diff so we can put it back in. This video might be a little lengthy, but it's content. All right, so I just got news from the guy that's supposed to bring that diff, because we doing the trade-off. He wants this manual diff. Unfortunately, he won't be able to come today to give it to me. So my boy Nakia gonna meet up with Eric tomorrow, and he's gonna meet Nakia to bring the diff, and then we're gonna get it here. So yeah, so this is gonna be like a couple days worth of vlogs. I'm about to fix this coolant leak that I had in the other vlog. You see it's everywhere. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, I got coolant all right here. So, and it's coming from this hose and the one underneath. So I'm about to do that real quick, and yeah, I'm gonna pick back up with this tomorrow. All right, so this is like a couple, yeah, it's probably like 3-4 days after that last clip that you just seen. The guy ended up, I don't think he flaked, but he ended up trading that diff to somebody else. So I had to do all this other stuff and go some other place to get the diff eventually. And so I ended up going to this other automotive shop, getting the diff and putting it in a while ago. I couldn't record it because, like I said, my camera was dead, and yeah, my camera was dead, and I didn't have access to get in the garage because Eric was working during the week. So I had to put it in and finish it up and whatnot. So it's in there. That seemed to help putting that diff in. It was dry. It shifts a lot smoother. The shifts aren't so aggressive like it was before. So that definitely did help a little bit. But so now I ended up, I have to replace the bushing in the diff, and that goes into the subframe. That holds the diff like still and whatnot. So that bushing is completely fried. It's gone. Like, it doesn't even work. It's like literally shredded into pieces. So that's the next couple of things I have to do. So it's replacing that bushing and servicing this transmission. I was gonna do the shift so noise, but Eric said there's no need to do it, so I'm not gonna do it. So yeah, we gotta service the transmission, put that that rear diff bushing back in there so it can stop plunking around, because the diff like this every shift. But yeah, that's gonna conclude this video. I appreciate everybody who came, stopped by this video. I know it's a long video, but be on the lookout for the next video. Tune in for it. We're gonna be up soon. So I'm almost at my limits with this car. I'm not even gonna lie to you. So I'm gonna cross my fingers after I service this transmission and put that diff bushing back in there. So hopefully it's shifting right and I can get back to creating some racing content for y'all. So let's go.